Hi, this is Johnny Chang from the world of waterfalls, and this is the Charco Prieto Waterfall in Puerto Rico. Yeah, so we saw La Perla a couple days ago, and it looked beat up. Yeah, I mean, is it just basically beat up from Maria, or was it always like that?
No, it's beat up from Maria, but
yeah.
You know where? Okay, so here's the thing, La Perla.
Yeah.
The hood.
Yeah.
Okay, you got that vibe,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
That's the hood.
It's like when you.
Well, I didn't go into it.
You saw it.
I saw it from the walls. Yeah, not. Yeah.
Yeah, the colorful place down there by the beach.
I went to it.
You got inside?
Yeah, no, yeah, we were walking past there.
Yeah, you're like, oh, that's it. Okay, not going there. Okay.
Past.
Is it safe to go there?
I mean, for tourists, yes, but keep in mind, you know, you're gonna have people pull up to you and be like, yo, I got this, what do you want? You have to go like, no good, and they're like, okay, and everything. So it is, don't forget, we are, you know, in an island that's really a lot of times used strategically to bounce certain things from different areas to the States. So when I say family, are we ready for this hike? You just scream, okay? Give it all you got. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, family, are we ready for this hike? Yeah! Let's do this, baby!
Listos!
That's it. Okay, bananas. We cut the tree, let it regrow again. Cut the tree, let it regrow. And that's how we keep getting bananas. Okay? You guys okay? You got quiet?
It's gonna be an interesting uphill on the way back. All these cars. Oh yeah, very limited parking here.
One of the family, I want you guys to see the only poison ivy that we have, but the one that I don't want you to touch, okay? This plant right here, this one. Don't touch it. I'm touching it now because I'm not touching the thorns. You see the thorns? Those thorns are filled with Clorox peroxide. It'll make your immune system fight yourself. Macajilla. I actually like that one better than.
Isn't that amazing?
The term here in Puerto Rico is morivivi. Morivivi. Yeah, it means I live to die. So you touch it and it closes. This plant was featured in Avatar movie in a really big scale. He touched a tree-sized plant and then it closed, creating a gust, blew him away. There you go.
Yeah.
This plant is good for diabetes. It regulates your sugar. Okay. Speaking of another plant, or actually a tree that is very useful in the medicine industry, is this tree right here. We call it noni. Some people call it sour sap, guanabana. Okay. Guanabana tree is basically the fruit is sour or sweet depending on the time that you eat it, but you can eat it on both times. But what they do is they do the tea with the leaf. Okay, look at the tail and the crest. That crest will grow bigger, allowing it to swim better. Also, she has the blending patch of the tree that I got her. Oh, she shit on me. Yeah, that's also one of their defense mechanisms. They poo and, pee and shit on you in the same time, All right, we are going to the corner where the flag is, and that's going to be the start of the trail. I'm wondering how that Brumelia got up there in the cable system.
Oh yeah.
Must have been a bird.
Huh.
He got no dirt. How can it grow there?
It's an air plant, no?
It's an air plant, that's right. There was an idea of building a toilet. We knew this trail when he was a kid. We made it more friendly so that we could do it. Come on, Cora. There you go. Whoa. Hey. Yeah. All right, Juanito.
See?
Yeah, we all made it, family.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. Come on, family, let me see your dirty shoes. Come on. Juanito!
Sí, ¿cómo está?
Good day, call.
How long did it take to perfect that call?
Dude, I don't know, maybe like the first year.
Really?
That is the call of the bird we like to call pájaro bobo. And you've heard it in the yunque. Let's see what you got, Corey. I got you here. Ready? There you go. There you go. Family, I want to show you guys something cool. Come on, join me this way. I want to show you how Taínos did makeup. Why am I showing you this? Because since we are a tribe, we need to look the part. We are going to look like warriors. Like this. Get initiated. It's gonna be like a clay mask. It's gonna be good for you.
Clay mask.
Yeah. There you go. Don't take all of it. Yeah, that's right, Corey.
Oh, nice. More cascades.
Okay, Juanito.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Under the tree. Can't limbo that low.
There you go, Juanito.
May have to crawl.
Oh my God, let's see if we can fit. Oh yeah.
Yep.
You got it, bro.
Yeah. Now let's see. Got it.
You gotta be careful with the camera.
Yeah.
Got it. All right, let's go into that little area over there. Wash your head and grab onto the bamboo. Don't stare too much at the floor. That's why I say wash your head, because you stare at the floor, you hit the thing.
Hit the head.
Yeah. I told you, Lynn. Bamboo get thick here.
So bamboo also native here?
No,
Are they introduced?
it was brought from Asia.
Oh, I see. Do people build with bamboo here, or they just sort of...
We just built the roads with bamboo.
Really?
We plant bamboo on the side of a cliff. So the
Oh,
cliff don't.
oh, I get it. For stabilizing, yeah. Oh, because you got to do this multiple times a week.
6 days.
6 days. So your shoes never get a chance to dry?
They do. I buy several shoes.
Got it. Ah, yeah.
Let's go. People are climbing.
Let's get around that tree. Oh, this is beautiful.
I really wanted to do.
There's a hole over there. Right there. A little bit up there. Juanito,
See?
it has all the gadgets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it hold?
Left foot, right foot.
Left
Searches
foot.
for waterfalls all the time. Right foot, here.
Okay.
Be careful, grab that rough corner, okay? Give me your hand.
Got that? Okay. Gracias.
There you go. Good.
All right. Oh yeah. ¿Cuál es el nombre de
La Poza Negra.
La Poza Negra?
Hidden waterfall.
The hidden waterfall. Okay. So here we are at the Charco Prieto Waterfall. As you can see, I got some war paint on, just Taino war paint. I booked with a tour called Jerry's Adventures, and they picked me up from the hotel out of San Juan, near the old town, and they took us to a viewpoint. They took us to the trailhead, and then we hiked roughly close to an hour from the trailhead to get to this point. Let me show you this waterfall here. Check it out. And this is just the upper waterfall. It's said to be the tallest waterfall in the north of Puerto Rico. And yeah, it's a beauty. And I'm pretty sure it got replenished by the rains that happened yesterday. It rained pretty much all afternoon yesterday, and it rained pretty hard. So it gave this waterfall a lot of life.
I missed it. I was I've let her be in front of you.
All right.
Right.
Which step?
Johnny,
Yep.
grab that corner in the rock.
This right here?
You need to be closer to me. Here. There you go. Grab it tight. Now
Okay.
this leg, step down here.
All right.
Turn around this way.
Other way?
The other way. This leg, step all the way down. I'm here.
Okay.
Go.
Is it on the step?
Yep, you got it.
Got it. Okay.
You got it. You made that look easy.
All right.
That leg. Press it all the way down. Nice. Good
Got it.
job. You got it. You got it. Chris will let you know.
Got it.
Totally got it.
All right.
So the one you want here is this one here.
I see it.
You can,
I'll sit and scoop. Yeah.
Yep.
I'll just sit and scoop this one.
Yep. Oh, you're onto it.
Yep.
You're in it good.
Is it a bit easier over there? Oh, okay. I'll go the easy way.
Let them take the hard way.
Yeah.
There's no wrong way. There is no right way either. Follow the river. These are hydrophobic.
I got it. I got it. Yeah, I saw it bubbling up like that. That's kind of cool.
And you know what? They're actually edible.
Really?
Maranga.
Malanga.
Like cassava and yuca.
I see.
Every time we have a big hurricane, we go back to our roots and we say, okay, Yokahu. see what you
Yokahu. Oh, that's why they call the Yokahu Tower. And
Botanical Roots is actually
whoa. So this is the weekend crowd.
Yes.
Oh, para
For summer.
Semana Santa. Yeah,
Holy Week is everybody's looking for an area with water.
I see.
And this is the lesser crowd.
Really?
You go to Gozalandia
Yeah, we're headed there on the Sunday. That's gonna be bad, huh? Uh-oh.
Bunch of people, music,
Okay, a party scene, yep.
party in the river. That's
Kind of like Luquillo yesterday.
yeah, Luquillo. I'm in Luquillo a lot. I surf there, so
Okay,
so I'll be out there in the waves in my free time, you know.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, if I have free time. The northern influence from the Vikings.
Slow and steady wins the race.